right? Someone's... I can't hear you do it.
I can't hear me.
Can you hear mine? Huh? What was that? Yes?
Mom, you need to pay the bills. Please pay the bills. You need to pay the bills. I will give you one more day.
Well, oh.
Open 3,000, 1,500.
Okay, I'll pay them tomorrow. I don't even have enough money. He said 15,000.
Hey!
Okay, sir. I said I'll pay I'll pay tomorrow.
I'll give you one more day.
I would like that. I would like that.
If you don't have the money, you're kicked out of this house for good.
Are you going to sell it to someone else?
Yes.
Okay. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh, today's morning time. How lovely. Everything. Let me watch some TV and make me some food. And you gotta come back because it's morning.
Egg work this morning?
Yeah. What? I'm gonna pretend I'm not home. I know Dad will hear that.
Open this door now or I'm gonna kick you out.
Yes?
You didn't pay the bill. You are now officially kicked out.
Sir, I'll go get all my
No!
I have to get all my stuff.
No.
Let me get all my stuff. I can't believe I just got kicked out of my house. Great, now I have to leave. I have to move somewhere else, and it's all because I wanted to. Sir? Why are you in my house? Get out, Jay, if I kick you out.
I'm gonna kick you out.
I will kick.
Give me.
Okay, sir, I'll leave. Jane, try to come in my house. What the heck? Jane, try to come in my house. Try to open my door. No. Alright, now try.
What the fuck?
Yeah. What the? Yeah. I kicked you out. Try to come in again. Try to come in. Yeah, I locked it. Alright, open it.
Get out now!
Wait, no, Jane, get out my house. Because remember, you're selling it. Come on, you got to get out.
No, I get this house.
No, you don't.
No, I want to get the house.
No.
I want to get the house.
Get out my house. But, sir, can I please have my
No.
house? But please. I'm poor. I mean, I was rich. Look.
Follow me.
You're going to have a house for me to live in?
You're going to have to live at my house.
No, thanks, sir. You
don't have to, no matter what.
Did he just kick me out of my house? I guess I'm gonna have to live life
with Mary.
No,
Yeah.
no, I can't live with you. You gotta find somebody else. You just kicked me out of my own house. I got kicked out of my house. I'm hungry. I'm homeless. I mean, did he just do this? I got kicked out. I am so starving. Thank goodness I still got the key to my old house. Which is still my house. I'm going back in it. Oh, house? Mommy's home, and I'm not letting you go.
I'm locking it. Let me go, Jen. After this room, I will go finish what I need to do.
I hope he really doesn't sell my house to someone else. That'd be freaking stupid. Oh, you want me to invite you over?